Hello everyone, this is my Galaxy 12-1 12-inch 3-speed oscillating fan. Now this fan is special because I bought it at Woolworths in Santa Monica in 1986. Unfortunately, I didn't keep the original box or anything that this came with, but yep, this is a fan that I've owned since it was brand new. And it's been used pretty steadily ever since I've owned it. I've done some servicing on it over the years, taken it apart, cleaned it and oiled it and all that. So let's take a closer look at this one. And we'll now give you a demonstration of this fan running, and we'll start off on low speed. And this fan is quiet and it delivers a very powerful breeze. These were some of the best fans made in the 1980s. And we'll show the oscillation. This thing is so quiet on low, it's almost easy to forget that it's on. We use this in our kitchen and it's been run several nights overnight because we've just forgotten about it running. We'll bring it up to medium speed now. And we'll bring it up to high speed now. we'll shut the fan off to show the coast down. Thank you for watching, and we will have more to come, so stay tuned. Later.